So welcome to week 4, and our demonstration this week is going to be on 2 activities you'll be doing in your Sandbox course. One of them is creating a very simple learning module, and the second one is setting up a discussion. These will be 2 separate demonstrations. I'm going to start this demonstration with the setup of a discussion. So I'm just going to share my desktop. So bear with me for a minute while that comes up. And in a minute, you should be seeing my screen, which is the screen that I'm showing you is the screen in my Sandbox course that I have been working on as we go along, these weekly demos, and probably your course looks somewhat like it with different header and things, but somewhat similar. I'm going to now click on Discussions note I'm on the Build tab, and I'm going to set up a discussion. Now, initially, you're going to have a default discussion topic in here. That's how course comes. So I'm going to just change this default to something new. I'm going to click on the action arrow to the right of the default discussion, and it'll give me several choices. One of the choices I have is to edit the properties of this default discussion. So I'm going to select Edit Properties, and I'm simply going to rename my default discussion. So I've created a topic called Introductions. Please introduce yourself here. And I'm going to go and look at all the different options I have. I don't want to make this a gradable topic, so I'm just going to go ahead and save that. And now I have a discussion topic that sounds more meaningful than default topic. It's called Introductions. Now, if I wanted to create a new topic that was gradable, notice again that I'm in the Build tab on the Discussions area, and I'm going to create a topic. The typical topics most people like to use is the threaded topic for just general discussions. Other options include a blog topic or a journal topic, which is often good for ongoing in-depth discussion about, say, someone's having a field experience, completing a practicum at a site. Then the journal or the blog, either one of those, might make a good choice. But for general conversations in a course, the threaded topic is a great option. So I'm going to click Next, and I'm going to click title this Week 1 Reading Reflection. And then I would give it a description. Created my topic. It's Week 1 Reading Reflection. I've given it a description. They know they need to post the reflections on the week reading assignment. And now I can go and start to select different aspects that I probably would want. I'm going to make it a gradable topic. So I'm going to click on Numeric Grade. And this discussion topic is going to be worth 10 points. So I'm going to enter 10. And since I usually like to have students know what their grade is once that's entered, I'm clicking Release Grade to Students in My Grades. That means I won't have to go mess with the grade book later. I'm not going to enable peer review, but I'll just show you that this is an option. You could allow students to review one another's posts and give them a number of stars. And under Topic Behavior Options, I'm going to keep it so that students can post and reply to messages, can edit their messages after posting them. I also have an option to lock the topic, which when I don't want anyone to post any more to this topic, I would come back to to this area, and I would click this Lock to Topic button if I wanted to do that. And then finally, author identification. I want the students to be identified by their username, so I'm leaving the default authors are identified usernames. And I'm going to click Save. And now I have my discussion area. When I go to the Student tab to view it, I would be able to see that discussion right here. So that is one aspect of the assignment of the week. Another was related to discussions was to create a category. So I'm going back to Build, into Discussions, and I'm going to create a category. And my category is going to be Week 1. And I'm going to save that. And now you can see my category is listed up at the top of my page, and I want to add my one reading reflection discussion under that. So you've seen this Move tab functionality before. Select the item you want to move, then you find that Move tab where you want to move it, and you click on it. And then you should be able to move your Week 1 reading reflection topic under the Week 1 category. That concludes this component of the demonstration. I'm going to stop this article, and we'll produce another demonstration on the creation of learning modules.